Hello guys, I am Prasad. Welcome to my channel Dev for Developers. In this video, I will tell you what are the pre-required skills before working with React.js, how to start a React.js application and how the React application will work. The pre-required skills before working with React.js are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is used to structure the web page, where CSS is used to style that web page, and JavaScript is used to apply dynamic effects to that website. The basic skills on these three will lead you to work with React.js. Here, JavaScript plays a major role in React to make dynamic websites. Now I will tell you how to create a React application. To create a React.js application, we need Node.js and Visual Studio Code to be installed. Now I will tell you how to install Node.js and VS Code in your system. I will provide those links in the description below. Based on your system, you can install the Node.js here. If you are using Windows means you can install that Node.js here. If you are using Mac means you can install this here. Now let's see how to create a React application. To create a React application, let me create a folder to create our application. Okay, I'm creating a React application as okay. Now I'll open VS Code to create my React application. Okay, new window. Okay, just simply drag our created folder to the VS Code. Okay, like this. After that, we go to terminal here. In that, we enter the command npx create react app. We can give the app name, or simply we can use dot to create application in that created folder. Okay, it takes time. I'll open that when it is completed. Okay, it's created. To run our React application, we need to enter npm start. Yes, our application is running here, running now. Yes, our application is started. Yes, this is our React application. Now we'll open that folders. In that source folder, React application will runs in this source folder, in which app folder. Yes, here React application will runs. This is the header. Let me create hello world. There our UI will be changed. Okay, let me see. Yes, yeah, hello world. This is our React application. Now I will tell you how the React application will works. Firstly, the React application will starts in public folder in index.html file. There you can see all that our application is starting here. The title is React app. If we change the title means, let me change. Okay. Okay, say my application. Okay. If we save here, then we can see this is my application. Yes. React application will starts in this index.html file. We can see here id equal to root. In this folder, in this div container, we can see id equal to root. If this by this root id, we can import this index.html file in index.js file. We can see create root by we can create the root by giving get element by id. We have imported that index.html file in index.js file by this id root get element by id of root. We have imported that in the app.js file also here. Let me see here yes here. And in this app component, what we have entered is rendered in the browser. We can fetch as many components as we wish in app component to make our single page application. Now I will tell you the component based architecture, in which two types of components are there: functional component and class component. Let me see you. Okay, here we can create a folder components. Let me create here. Spelling mistake is there. Yes, okay. Here in this I'll create a file index.js. Let me say an example. Okay, in this I'll create a functional component. To create a component, first we have to import React. Yes, from there I'll create a functional component. Let me say welcome component. Okay, from this to we have to return our DOM. Yes, to import this component, we have to export this component as well. Export default component name welcome. Yes, in this the return DOM is imported. Okay, let me write. Yes, this is a functional component. Yes, you can also make it by giving a paragraph or a heading. Control X heading. Okay. Okay. Let me import in this app component. I'll remove this and I will import that. I'll import index.js here. Index. Okay, to import that we have to import this command. Import index from, yeah, it's in components folder and that in index. Okay. Okay, we can fetch that in render that in. Yes, this is a functional component. And also we can use class component also as well. Let me create class component here as well. I'll remove this functional component and I'll write the class component here. Class, let me give a component name welcome extends component. To create a class component, we have to import that component also as well. In class component, we have to render that. After that, we have to return that DOM. And in this also, we have to export component. Export default welcome. Let me write it here. Okay, this is a class component. Yes. Okay, I have imported this index.js in app.js, so it directly fetches. Yes, this is a class component, and this is about the components. Two types of components. In the next video, I'll tell you about functional component and class component clearly, and further more points while working with class component and functional component. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.